Hello. So in this video, I will be exploring and researching upon the topic that change when the market environment is changing from sideways to an uptrending market environment. So whenever the market is in the sideways market environment, it can change into either it can break out and give us an uptrending market environment, or it can break down to give us a negative downtrending environment. So today I am specifically trying to research and upon uptrending market environment only. Like here, if you can see, like how the price is in this sideways market environment and it is breaking out of this environment to turn into an uptrending market environment. So I'll be first be marking at least 10 such instances, and based on those 10 instances, we'll figure out what's common in them, uh, how many times the market was able to break such market environment successfully, and how many times it failed and trapped, and what really goes into a successful break and what really goes into an unsuccessful break as well. Because remember, we trade markets and anything can happen, so we have to be ready for everything as well. So this is the first one which I have marked. I will start marking others, so just bear with me. So this is also a type of market environment change where it's trying to break out, and it broke out with the help of a gap actually. And let's just keep this only first, and we'll visit it on the 5 minutes time frame later on once we have marked everything. So this is one, this is also, it's trying to change how it's behaving, but it really hasn't broken out. Here we can see, yes, there's one here, and there's one here as well. It has, like, similarly it has broken towards downside over here. Yeah, sure. Over here it has also broken out over here, but with the help of a gap. Here, definitely here, but it has broken out with the help of a gap. It has broken out, but it has failed. So this can be a good measure of things. Again, it has broken out, but it has failed. So what I'm really looking for is like this kind of a market or environment where it is not clear where is the range boundary. Okay, so there's a sense over here that the market is price is trading near the range boundary, but we don't exactly know where the range boundary is. Is it above this level or above this level? I would love to believe that it is above this level. and how it is breaking is also one very important fact. Like, this price is moving from here to here, and this is the place where it has formed the range. And this is exactly on 6 September 22. This is exactly how the price has formed today. If you see, go and see on the chart. I would love to see how the price has how the price has performed on this day. So how many clicks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have more than 10. Let me go till a little bit more. Okay, from May to this day. So these are all the places where we can see the price is behaving a bit, where where there is a junction of sideways market environment and the uptrending market environment. So let's see how the market has been performing on the 5-minute time frame. Especially today I came up with this because I suffered a loss. It was not an easy day for me, especially because I thought that initially I thought uh, one could have gone long from this place, but again the price showed that it was pretty weak, came down and started making a bottom, and then I waited that it will come down over here again, and once it again starts setting up and going up, then I'll take a trade. But it went up, and this was another place where I was thinking of taking a trade, but again was not possible. I took one trade over here. uh, After it corrected a bit, I thought that it will go out and trend and break, but it did not, and it came down, and my SL was hit over here, so it's fine. Let's see. So this is one place. You can see the volatility has increased a lot over the past some time, and this is the range boundary. The previous price action has closed above the range boundary. You can take this as a range boundary, weekly swing high WSH, and the price is not very stable over here. It has started making lower lows on 5-minute time frame. Till now, the lows have been respected, but now the lower lows have started getting made. So let's see where was this last time formed. So it has again getting formed, but the closing was strong. uh, so again, if we see over here, the price came down below the level and then again closed above it. So this is not as bad as this day, because the price did not close at its bottom level. Here the price closed at the bottom level. Okay, and let's see more, because we can't derive anything. We don't. Right now I'm having a vendetta against today, vengeance against today's price action, and probably that's why it's not that I'm trying to blame everything on today's price action. Let us see. Will the price range be drawn like this or like that, or in fact will the range be somewhere around here? So let's see what is happening. Price is continuously closing strongly. Okay, and wow, this is again acting up so strongly. If you see, the price went up and then the price just totally collapsed and then it again went up. It's not a very, i- it is supposed to be a volatile, extremely volatile. It is not at all smooth. The mm, it, the retracements are pretty dangerous, pretty deep. Nobody can plan for this kind of retracement if they're trading on 5 minute time frame 100%. Because if you see it's a 200 point move and then a 200 point move back. So it's dangerous, very dangerous. Only once it has started going up comfortably, then even then also you see after this breakout happened, it again came down like this. Stupid breakdowns. Mm. So the volatility is extreme when trading such change in price action, change from this level to that level, the volatility is extreme. So this shows that who is in control. The buyers are in control or the sellers are in. The sellers are not very easily giving up over here. That is very clear. Second, let's see how the price behaves over here. It's a smaller level uh, transaction. So it's a sideways market environment over here. And let's see how the price behaves. Okay, this is pretty much natural to happen. Uh, I think this is totally fine. This must be the range boundary. Yeah, this is the range boundary, and I think it broke very naturally. It came down, there was a trend line over here, and then it easily broke the trend line and then gave the breakout. It's fine. This is normal, taking support coming up, forming a base coming up, then again. But this is extremely volatile over here. This is extremely volatile. Not everybody's cup of tea to trade such. Once you have had this loss, this extreme loss, you wouldn't dare trade this again if you're not experienced enough. Okay, this is also one place where we could have a look, but this is totally after a smooth breakout, smooth breakdown. This is what I expect how the price breaks. So the price opens near around the level, top level, and then it consolidates, not from the bottom. At least opens, the low of that day is the mid or somewhere. It's rejected immediately, and then the when the price starts moving, it moves nicely. So this is how, even if you miss this rally, you can easily catch up this rally. Not easily, but yeah, you can catch up this one. You can really catch up this one. So this is how the price action should be. but it's really, really difficult sometimes. Like, especially on this day, you see 9:15 candle and then the follow up candles. There are two 1950, two candles over here. Anyways, 18 July data is so much fucked up. So this is like a nice breakout. It formed a base, retraced, then once it started moving nice and slow, continuously, nice and fast, continuous. This is fine. There are glitches and everything, but so if we are taking at an extreme range boundary, this is the range boundary, and once it has been broken, it is going nice and slow, and rarely there's no such deep retracements. It has recently only started happening. These kind of such retracements are happening after the price has already moved 1000 plus points. Here the price broke the range with a gap up, and it was a very valid gap up because the price has been forming a very nice big J setup. Price started refusing going down, opened gap up, formed a base, then again went up. So this is what I was hoping what would have happened today, that price came down again. It might would have come down over here, but it shouldn't have broken this low. Even if it broke this low, this thing which happened, this up move which happened was very convincing, and it shouldn't have gone below this level at all. Shouldn't have had gone. This shows weakness in price. Until unless tomorrow it is taken out, it's not very safe or convenient to go over there. The moves are happening overnight, and the moves which are left for us are stupid, dangerous moves. So we were around here. Mm, Again, 21st. What's this day? 24th. There are incomplete price action, I guess. It's 24th. Let me check once on another software. This is 24th of 24th April 23. 24th April 23. Yeah, there's full-fledged full-fledged day has not been shown. So the price opens somewhere over here. The price opens somewhere around over here. Opens gap up and then forms a big J setup to go up. And this has happened twice now. Are they trying to stop us from researching on shit? Oh, what's happening? 29th. See, this is volatile. This is actually volatile. 29th. Yep, totally volatile. I wouldn't endorse it. Sometimes I think the 5 minute time frame has been totally spoiled. So difficult to trade 5 minute time frame. Opened with a gap up, broke the range boundary, came down, then again went up. God damn. This is what something which I really fear about. This is exactly how today's market was. Came down, then went up, then again came down. Came down, and that too, like, went up, then again came down. And it's not even taking support at a proper place. And that's the issue. So it does happen. I wasn't well prepared actually. It does happen. Went up, came down. This is absolutely fine. This is actually fine. Provides a very good opportunity to trade. First breaks the high of the day and then breaks the low of the day. And then once it breaks the low of the day, again goes back to eat the SL and then comes down. Damn. So basically here is where all the profit is. So out of all these, let's see what happens when the price actually closes. No, I need to look at this. So if it is opening gap up tomorrow above a certain level, so here's the level of breakout level. Here is the breakout level. Sorry, here's the breakout level. And it has to open above this level. If it is below this level, it's almost like no, untradable or something like that. Have to wait and see what's happening. It's more like scalping. Scalping works great in such market. Scalping actually works great in almost all the market environment. 1 minute time frame, this would be great. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Wherever it's volatility is there, scalping is fucking awesome. Scalping would be working like a charm over here. Either it shouldn't go below the level of breakout, should sustain, and next day, the third day, it's an immediate reverse. Yeah, the third day is very interesting actually. Just immediately move up. So this is the level of breakout. And the third day always gives a very strong move on the very opening if the price is has to go up. If the price has to go up, it gives a very strong move right in the very beginning. I should write it down actually. CMS sideways to uptrend. So as it is seen, the price is actually, it's actually very volatile to trade. change in market structure. Mm, so if it had stabilized over here, opened somewhere over stabilized and then again moved up, then it would have given a very nice up move. That's what my theory is as of now. So opened over here, okay, and this should give a very nice. So this is where the breakout happened. Now this should give a very nice move. It did not, but it also did not take the SL and gave ample opportunity to book the profits as well. Then again it formed a base, a nice long base, and once it came out of that, it did not provide ample opportunity, but yes, here it provided ample opportunity to go long. I'm saying just in cases of failure. It's fine, it's okay. I'll check it out. So this is what I'm talking about. Breakout happened, sustained near the breakout level, and then the third day breakout happened, sustained near the third day. Immediately at the market open, market gave an excellent up move. So tomorrow might be a very nice day if this W has already formed. So if the market breaks this level, then or just tries to go up, then it can go very rapidly up tomorrow. And if it does not, that means a failed breakout, and that means like either tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are gonna get a huge trending day towards the downside. That's how failed breakouts work, generally speaking. Here also one breakout happened. You see, this is where the breakout happened at this level, but it failed. It was not able to survive. It came down at this level, and then once it went up above this level again, it should have given a nice, but it did not. And in the end, this day was a nice day to short, actually. Breakout failure scenarios. Went up till here, wasn't able to sustain. There's always a trend line from bottom coming, which the price breaks and it fucks everything up after that. Yeah, I think, sure. Cool. So there are few learnings to take away from this, that the change is generally almost 50 to 60% of the times, 60 to 70% of the times I would say, is volatile, extremely volatile. The change from a sideways market environment to an uptrending market environment is generally very volatile, and especially if the price has run up a long way to do that, uh, or a considerable amount it has run to do that. So for example, like this over here, for like example over this, and so the chances are there that it is extremely volatile, and it gives moves in all the directions, in upside direction as well as the lower direction, and it's not really very conducive to trade in that environment. Scalping works great. Second important thing which we learned is, if the price really has to go up and if it stabilizes near the breakout level, like over here it stabilized, then the third day, so it gave the breakout and second day it stabilizes, then the third day might give a very good move right in the beginning. So we have to see that whether or not it gives a very good move in the beginning tomorrow. And the last thing is that generally price, we have to be very careful trading in this market environment. Scalping is the way to go, but right now I don't scalp or anything, so uh, I think I'll probably be better off not trading, or better off trading this as a very volatile mm, market environment. I have to research more on that. Thank you.